Alright, so we have started our anatomical pathology lectures, and we'll be moving to the next concept. So this is what is known as what? Cell signaling. Right? Cell signaling. Cell signaling in anatomical pathology. So cell signaling, from the topic, you could just get to see that this just has to do with, how one cell will be able to what? Pass information to another cell. Now, this information could be for them to actually do something or withdraw, but basically, those signals are for the well-being of your body. So cell signaling, we said that is the sophisticated communication system. All right, so it's used to dictate, interpret, respond to internal and external cues, or you could say basically stimuli. Okay, so it's how your body coordinates everything from how you grow, from how your immune system, okay, to your mood, to how you break down things and everything. How your body helps to coordinate all these processes. So what is cell signaling? This process by which cells send and receive messages using molecules called ligands, all right, then bind to specific receptors. Basically, if this cell here wants to communicate to this cell, it doesn't travel to this cell, it rather sends ligands. These ligands will come and bind on this receptor. Do you understand? That's how they communicate. So this interaction triggers a cascade of events inside a cell, and this is known as signal transduction. So ultimately, it will lead to cellular response. So three core stages is what? Reception, where a signaling molecule, all right, it has to be what? In line with this receptor for it to actually be able to bind. Okay, transduction, all right, the signal is now relayed through a series of molecular changes. Okay, the responses, the cell will react to the response. Okay, so these are the different types of cell signaling. We have autocrine, where the cell is sending what? Information to itself. Paracrine, the cell is sending information to other cells but just nearby. Juxtacrine is direct contact. Okay, then endocrine is what is traveling through the bloodstream to a far place. Intracrine, we say that the signals act within the same cell without being secreted. So these are the key players, just basically talking about the receptors, that the other cell has to have, for communication to go on.